Today we celebrate the teachers who have made a lasting difference in the lives of their students. Teachers are a critical pillar of development in this society, and we owe a debt of gratitude to all our teachers. To the 200 plus recipients of the JTA's Golden Torch Award for 2023, please know that the entire Jamaica appreciates your service to country.
Nurse, counselor, mediator, private investigator, courier, services provider, errand runners, security watchmen, women, lawyers, referees, financiers, coach, motivators, and in all of that, teacher. Those are just some of the many roles you have played over your collective average of 7,350 years of service to building this island nation, serving across all the levels of education, early childhood to tertiary. Not only has the Jamaica Teachers Association decided to celebrate your worth and work to nation building, but tangibly recognize same.
I take this opportunity to say thanks to all our teachers who have given and continue to give hundreds of hours of tutoring to students across the length and breadth of this country. And in many instances, you do it out of love. Thanks to all our teachers who go beyond the call of duty to ensure that our students are well prepared for various levels of school assessment. Someone's life has been made better because you are committed to investing in their lives. Let us all continue to do our part to ensure that Jamaica becomes a place of choice to live, work, do business, and raise families.